Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily recover the password on your fandom account. It's very easy and can be done just in few steps, but if you do not have an account for fandom yet, make sure to check our other video where you can learn how you can create an account for fandom. But for now, let's get started. First of all, open the fandom application on your phone. You will be taken to a page like this where you can see the option to sign in. Click there. There on the screen you will see forgot your password option. Click there. To recover your password, you will have to request for a link which you will receive on your email, but for that you will have to enter your username. After you enter your username, click on request link and wait for the email. If you do not the email on your inbox, make sure to check your socials and your promotions, and mine was on my promotions, and you will receive an email that looks like this where you'll have the option to set new password. Click there. And if you scroll through the link, you will see the option to change your password. You can change your password, create a new one. So when you create the new password, after you're done, click on save. After you're done, you will be required to sign into your account again. For that, you will have to type in your username and the password that you just created. After you're done entering the necessary information, click on sign in. And you will be logged in. And that's it for the video. You have now successfully recovered your password. Thank you for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe the channel and give this video a big thumbs up.